Hello folks. Alright, haven't been here for a while, had a few days, chesty cough, but if you watch the live, you'll see what fun, something different that we've done. Hopefully it gets there and all the rest of it. So check out the live if you didn't see that. But hope everyone is well. Loads of things to do. I've got loads of other things on work-wise that are really sucking my time at the moment. So I'm really struggling to get here to the dream house, which is so frustrating. But hopefully we'll be back going at it, hammer and tongs at it very soon. But yeah, I'm gonna see you very soon as we continue this escape to the dream house. See you soon.